Pattern 21. Step 1.
1. I can't think of a solution. 2. I can't think of anything I need. 3. I can't think of the actor who's in this movie. 4. I can't think of a gift to buy for my mother. 5. I can't think of the ingredients for this recipe.
Step 2. 1.
Where are the Christmas decorations?
I can't think of where we put them when we moved in.
Maybe they're in the attic.
Let's go have a look. Two.
Is there anything else I should do before I leave?
I can't think of anything. You can go ahead and leave.
Will you be here tomorrow?
Yes, I'll see you then.